Now let's move on to the task for the day, which is known as a, what is the task? Progressive group task. Right, and this this happens to be the third task of a series, as you know. What is the first task of GTO series? Group discussion. Right, and thereafter second, group planning exercise, and third, so progressive group task. So now today we are going to go through the progressive group task. Okay, so as name suggests, it's a group task, and you are going to tackle a number of obstacles while doing this task, starting with a simple obstacle, and as you progress further, you will find other obstacles that are not so simple in nature. Therein lies the progressivity of the task. Hence, it is known as a progressive group task. Right? As I said, it consists of many obstacles. In this case, happens to be 4 obstacles. Okay, which has to be gone through by the complete group. Right. So while doing this, and gentlemen, we do not have a natural obstacle or broken ground, etc. over here. So what we do, we draw 2 white lines and declare the area between these 2 white lines as out of bound area for you. Thereby, it becomes an obstacle for you, which you are supposed to cross. Okay. While doing the obstacle, to help you to cross over these obstacles, we have placed certain structure within the obstacle, which you can use while crossing over the obstacle. And to help you to cross over the obstacle, we will also provide you certain helping materials in shape of blank, rope, bully, etc., which you can use while crossing over the obstacle. Okay, fine. Also, while doing this task, we are supposed to follow certain rules, which I am going to tell you now. Right? The first rule of the game is known as a group rule, as per which no member of the group will go to the next obstacle till such time the complete group has crossed over the obstacle. Okay? And their second rule is known as distance rule. What is distance rule? Any idea? Right. As you're trying to bring out is, as per distance rule, no distance of 4 feet and more cannot be jumped across. It has to be bridged across. Clear hai? And the thumb rule basically anywhere where you need to take jump, that means it is more than 4 feet. Okay, common sense check. Right. So we have seen group rule, we have seen distance rule. The third rule is known as a color rule. As per the color rule, if you find any structure or part of structure has been painted red in color, that means it is out of bound for you, for your helping material or for your load also. And if you find any structure or part of structure been painted blue in color, that means it is inbound for you but out of bound for your helping material and for your load. Okay? And if you find any structure been painted white in color, that means it is inbound for you, for your helping material, for your load also. Clear hai? Right. If anybody breaks any rule anywhere, unknowingly or inadvertently, he will fall back to the position where he or she was when he or she broke the rule. Alright. And anybody got any question, kindly keep it to yourself, ask in the last. Right. So I was telling you about the what is the rule I was covering? Color rule. Clear ho gaya? Once you on ground, will go on ground, that will be even clearer to you. Okay. And the third rule is known as a rule of rigidity. You understand what is rigidity? What is rigidity? Toughness or anything which cannot change its shape, inflexible. So 2 rigid helping materials cannot be tied together. Clear hai? To increase their length. And last rule is the rule of infinity. Infinity, you understand? What is infinity? No end. बहुत समझ में आ रहा है रूल्स वगैरह समझ में आ रहा है श्रीमान रूल ऑफ इन्फिनिटी इज एज पर द रूल ऑफ इन्फिनिटी द 2 lines which I spoke to you about are supposed to be imagined as if they are extending towards infinity. That means they are endless and they are parallel to each other. Understood? Right. So I would like all of you to follow these rules. If anybody amongst you break the rule anywhere, you yourself or your group member are supposed to check it. If you fail to do, then I will tell you. I am going to point it out. Okay. And also remember, once we any questions before you start the task, you can clarify your mind before we start the task. Okay. But remember, once task has started, and thereafter, if any fresh doubt comes to your mind or question comes to your mind, then you can clarify amongst yourself within the group. Don't address it to me. Clear? Hai? Right. So what we will do is now we just go across and show you the obstacle course, and then we'll start the task. Okay, right. So what we have done is we have got 2 groups. So methodology we're going to follow is initially both the group will go together and see the obstacle. Thereafter, once we start the task, one group will be nominated as a active group other group will be told as a observer group. Okay, and when I say change round, that means the group which is active will become the observing group, and the other group which is observer will become active group thereafter. Is this point clear? It is basically for the learning purpose. All right. So if there are no more questions, we'll just go around, show you the obstacle, and we'll start the task. If you see this white line which is in front of you is the start line of the obstacle number 1 of this task. And if you see obstacle rather, and you see another white line, that is the finish line for the obstacle number 1 of this task. All right. Now you have got certain helping material with you. You can see a plank, 2 ropes, and a small bully there. And what is this supposed to be? Red color bucket. What is it? Load. So it's a load which is supposed to be carried by the group. So it's a group liability. Okay. Now we have seen the start line here, and on my left, if you see there are 2 benches. What is the color of the benches?
White.
Right. Some portion towards finish line the blue in color. On my right again you see inverted L with a blue platform next to it, and ahead of it you see a triangle with the blue platform, and some portion the top base of this triangle is blue in color. Okay. Here again you see a drum lying on ground. You got 2 holes which are white in color. Rest complete is blue. That is blue platform next to it. Here the triangle again. Only thing in this case, apex of the triangle is blue in color. And just this is the finish line. Just short of finish line, you see another bench over here which is white in color, isn't it? And if you see over here, what is the color here? So the top also of this portion should be assumed to be blue only, right? And this is the finish line. Any question this? Clear hai? Okay, right. Now tell me, can I stand here?
Yes, sir.
Can I stand here?
No, sir.
Can I keep my load on this?
No, sir.
Can I keep my helping on this?
No, sir.
Right. And also tell me, can I stand here?
Yes, sir.
Can I keep my helping material on this?
Yes, sir.
Can I keep my load on this?
Yes, sir.
Clear? कौन पूछ रहा था color rule? Clear हो गया? Okay, right. So now once I say move, you'll go running from here. The group standing in front will go from the right of the obstacle. Nobody will walk through the obstacle. Okay. So the group in front will go from the right of the obstacle, go running and get in between these 2 lines, and stand in a similar fashion as you're standing now, right? And the group standing behind will go from the left, and they will go in again and stand a similar fashion as you're standing now. Clear hai? So one go from the right, other go from the left. Move. आ जाइए अंदर, बीच में आ जाओ. चलो quickly. चलो दौड़ के चलो. Move. Okay. Right. Now we come to the start line. This is again white line.
Yes, sir.
This happens to be the start line of the obstacle number 2 of this task. Okay. And you see another white line over there.
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Finish line, sir.
Finish line of the obstacle number 2 of this task. All right. And within this you see on my left another structure, totally white in color, and this is movable with a platform next to it which is half blue and half white. Here again a platform blue and a bench slightly higher in nature and again totally white in color. On my right you can see alphabet A sort of structure, right? It's got some jutting up toward the start line. Also if you see there is another bully lying there,
Yes.
right? So once you reach over here, this is additional helping material which is available to you. Okay? And over there you can see the white line just short of this finish line. On my right again you see structure which looks like a H-shaped structure. You got 2 arms jutting out toward the finish line. Here you see a squarish shaped obstacle with a ring here and a hole this side. Okay? And here you see the triangle is placed vertically up with a base blue in color, and the platforms as you see on ground, the colors as you see on ground. And this is the finish line as I told you earlier. Any question on this? No question. Move to the next one. Idhar aa jao. Okay, right. Now again start line of the obstacle number 3. There is the finish line of the obstacle number 3. On my left you see 2 goalpost structure with a small bracket which is movable here. Right. Here you see combination of 2 structures. One is goalpost structure, another peculiar shape of structure over looks like H. And here you see a big bridge. It's got a 1 jutting arms toward you. Top both corners are red in color. Okay. And here is another structure which is movable like this. Here is a bridge, and here you see a cross which is movable. On my left you can see 2 Y-shaped structure. Platform on ground as a color as you see on ground. Clear hai? Move to next one. Idhar aa jao. No talking amongst yourself. 212. Next time I see you talking, I will throw you out from this group. Not only from this group, I will send you out under that badi tiranga wo jo tree wahan par. Stop talking. Okay, pay attention this side. Right. You see another start line there.
Yes, sir.
That is the finish line, right? In the center, you see one structure over here. Again, high bench, which is sides are both blue in color. Here again a bracket with a drum lying underneath it, the bench here, and here just short of finish line again a drum which got a hole through and through, totally white in color. Okay. Now these are obstacles. You might have realized as you progress further, obstacles are not so simple in nature. That means you have to be showing the urgency. Okay. Any questions? All are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So what once I say go back, you will go back, and the group now standing in front of me, that group will be the active group. This group standing behind with the observing group. Okay. So kindly place yourself. Don't talk. If you can watch silently, watch it. In case anybody finds problem, he cannot keep quiet. Then you can just break out from here, go under the tree, and keep talking there. जितना भी बात करना है. But once you are sitting here with me, you will not be talking amongst yourselves. Is that point clear?
ये 4 फीट डायरेक्ट क्या कर रहा है हम बताएं
इसको लगा के इसके नीचे रखते हैं, इससे फिर वहाँ पे पहुँच
नहीं पहुंच पाओगे यार
ये
फोल्ड करना ऐसे कर देते हैं ना
इसको बल्कि इसको
ये बड़ी वाली है
इसको
रखो क्योंकि उधर से आप
यहाँ ब्लू पे नहीं रख सकते ना, ब्लू पे रख सकते नहीं।
यार
हाँ तो नहीं छुआ है ना अभी,
पैर रखो
पैर रखता हूँ। चल रखो 2-3 लोग,
मतलब ये रखा
इस लोग का कोई
चलो पता चले यार ऐसे कुछ नहीं
ऐसे रख देते, हम जा रहे हैं आगे वहाँ से और आगे बढ़।
हाँ, ऐसे तुम चले जाओगे यार नीचे
क्यों यहाँ पे पैर रख नहीं सकते, ऐसे रखो ना, हम जा रहे हैं वहाँ से। ठीक ठीक, आप पकड़ो इसको, समझे?
थोड़ा आगे कर
ठीक है, आप सही है, आप 4 है ना, हम जा रहे हैं।
ठीक ठीक
उधर 2 लोग खड़े हो गए,
आगे कर ले भाई
हम जा रहे बस नहीं जा रहे
जाओ जाओ
कैसे पकड़ना?
और कोई जाने तू चल भाई
इस पे बस अब
Are you breaking any rule?
don't touch it on the ground yes
it is touching on the क्या ग्राउंड पे क्यों रखा है जिस टचिंग ऑन द ग्राउंड,
Why touching the ground then? What are you doing?
पता नहीं क्या रखा, क्यों रखा उस
लाल वाले को
कार्य क्या रखा बताओगे?
अब यू मीन क्या क्या रोक
करोगे क्या?
ये इस वन अबे इसको दे दूंगा काउंट करोगे क्या इससे
अरे पहले सबको पार मिला
इससे होगा क्या
क्या करोगे बताओ
ना एक और जाए पहले यहाँ पे कुछ ज्यादा
नहीं इसको ऐसे इधर 2 लोग खड़े हो जाएंगे, खुद ही निकल जाएगा।
हाँ बता रहे, रुको सब लोग आगे भाई रुको, देखो ये जो वो बल्ली है ना, बल्ली को इसमें लगाते हैं
पहले जब वहाँ पहुँचे
तुम उतरो
तो हम जा रहे हैं, एक लोग आगे जाते हैं।
क्यों करेगा वहाँ पे चलो
एक लोग
सर
चले जाओ, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, वो नहीं
ये बल्ली और ये देखो हम लोग आगे जाते हैं पहले,
अरे
बल्ली
अबे फटर
तू इधर आ, तू इधर आना भाई,
चलो आगे जाए ना,
तू इधर आना भाई,
आप लगा के
तुम भी आगे चले।
नहीं एक काम करते पहले
वो तो लाए बल्कि एक लाए
को वहाँ से आगे भेज देते
फ्लैंक
क्या चाहिए
लाल को नहीं टच कर सकते, ये ध्यान
ये
रखो।
चाहिए
रेड को नहीं, ऐसे नहीं, रुको
अबे इसको
आप ये लाओ,
टाइम कैसे भाई
फिर वापस करेंगे ना, ये
ना वापस देंगे ना, पहले नीले
एक
पे
को
ध्यान
पार हो
रखो,
जाना।
ध्यान रखो। नीले जो मैं छुए ना उनको, नीला
तुम यार
रुको वेट करो, ऐसे नहीं अरे ये तो बाहर निकालो, यहाँ से उठाने का नहीं आएगा नहीं, यहाँ इसमें से इसको ऐसे रखते ना, तो इसको निकालो
चल रहा है
बाहर जाओगे।
लकड़ी पकड़ना, लकड़ी बल्ली
इस साइड
बल्ली पकड़ो भाई,
बल्ली
एक और जा तू भी
नहीं अब उसको
नो 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 नो
वापस आने को सामान कम
यू गो
आ जाने दे।
फर्स्ट यू
अरे सामान, हाँ ठीक है जाओ,
या यू
तू भी चला जा भाई,
यू आल्सो रो
आराम से जाओ,
भाई
वापस आओ।
भाई
अब 2 बंदे उधर जाएंगे, बाकी
ले ले
फटाफट वो नीचे देखना, अरे पहले बल्ली लो,
बल्ली ले लेंगे जो
हो जाएगा यार, अरे पहले टच मत करो, ब्लू में टच,
ब्लू, हाँ बल्ली तो बल्ली
बल्ली बल्ली
अरे बल्ली ले लो,
अरे यार आराम से दो भाई कुछ नहीं है
Leave 1% of start time, 1% there, benches are there, one here, one other triangle. Rest everybody go to finish level. Understood the idea? Similarly, everybody go ahead, isn't it?
Yes sir, yes.
Leave 1% there, rest everybody go to finish level.
Yes, सभी लोग आगे आ जाओ।
एक जगह पे
सभी लोग ऐसे आ जाओ, एक लोग वहाँ पे रहो, सभी लोग आगे आ जाओ।
एक लोग यहाँ पे रुकना,
आप मतलब कंप्लीट करो, वहाँ पे जाओ।
ये नीचे नहीं
चले जाओ वो मतलब एक लोग वहाँ बच जाओ और सभी लोग।
यार, इससे जाना है भाई।
वो नहीं, वो सर बोल रहे हैं कोई पूरा कर ले, उसके बाद और
हाँ, सभी लोग आगे जाओ ना, वहाँ पे उसे रख
एक को तो पहले आगे भेजो। एक कोई बल्ली
1% left there, 1% left there, one, another 4,
अदर वर्ग को
6%, another more.
अंडरस्टैंड वहीं रख दो उसे।
बल्ली लो पहले, उसको नहीं छू सकते थे तो कह देंगे।
मैं वहाँ से
अरे सब लोग आगे जाओ यार,
समझ गया मैं।
सब लोग आगे जाओ इससे।
Direct,
You come with me.
हाँ डायरेक्ट।
You come with me. और 203 you call for.
यू सीरियल ये बल्ली तुम उसे पकड़ा दो, बल्ली पीछे पकड़ाओ, बल्ली बनाओ। हाँ उस पे आराम से पकड़ो, पीछे आगे से पकड़ो, तुम आ जाओ। एक बार रखो, ऊपर आ जाओ, कम। ओके रुको, इसे पीछे डालो, थोड़ा पीछे हटा बंदा, आप आगे। ठीक है इसको थोड़ी बस 10 चले जा रोक। यस आ जाओ एक पूरा
बढ़ाऊं, पकड़।
देखो तुम आओगे ना, देखो तुम कैसे आओगे, तुम तो आओ।
टेक इट बल्ली, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेक इट बल्ली।
Flying बाद में
नहीं रुक जाओ, तुम आओगे, तुम भी वैसे लगाओ, वैसे लगाओ।
Now let them change around. You have seen all this? We want 4 people, one, 3 लोग वहाँ खड़े हैं, बाकी सब कुछ है।
चलो तुम करो कंटिन्यू, उसी लगाओ जैसे लगा था, जैसे लगा था।
Quickly, get up fast. Go there, replace them.
ओए फर्स्ट पे जाना,
या तो चली जा।
यहाँ से प्रोसीड करना है। बस बाकी
finish line पे।
ऑल द रेस्ट गो टू फिनिश। हो गया, आप फिनिश पे जाओ, फिनिश पे जाना है।
सर से कहते हैं हम वाला कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं बस।
You have to proceed from here ना। मेरे को क्या करना है, मेरे को बस आना ही है।
I have an idea.
I have idea also.
I have an idea. Listen, gentlemen, we can tie our rope in the plank,
And then-
so we don't need to take a balli. We,
Exactly.
yeah. Please give it to me.
Yes.
For helping you, I will also come there. Please. पहले बल्ली बनाओ, मैं उधर आ रहा हूँ. टाइम. Yeah. Make the way for me.
212 yes.
Thank you. Yeah. Now
I think
we will use that rope as a tied rope. So when we were there, we can even
yeah,
take our
but
helping
we have to
material.
take the rope as well now.
Yeah, that's why I want to say that we have to tie the rope.
Exactly.
Got it?
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. Then help me to tie the rope.
Okay.
इस बल्ली को हटा, बल्ली को हटा।
मुझे बांधना है।
मैं बांधने कोई बात नहीं ना, इसको पकड़ मैं बांध। दोनों ही दे दो। इतना ये मोटा हो उतनी जल्दी है। Now you got it? देखो। Yes.
Okay.
It is workable idea.
I was just saying the same
Yeah.
thing for
Thank you.
there.
Please proceed.
Oh, you go to there, I'll jump.
Yeah.
Oh, have it.
Yeah. You can proceed. Please help me.
Wait a minute.
Yeah. We are not.
Stand here. Help.
Yeah. Wait. अब इसको ऐसे।
Wait, पकड़. Wait. We'll do it.
Hey.
Oh,
Please
okay.
make the.
Oh, here.
Catch
Jump.
it.
Yeah.
Put it here. No. Yeah. Listen.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, I got an idea.
We can direct
You can directly put
on.
that thing in the triangle, middle of the triangle.
Yes.
Which
Yes.
side?
It will make another bridge. Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Wait. Put
Down?
from downside.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is stable.
And you took the balli?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Yeah, got it. Please pause it.
Just keep your foot over there.
Oh,
Okay, fine, got it.
let us proceed further.
Take out the balli.
I am got
We can just put
Yes,
it
yes, take out the
there.
balli first.
Yeah.
And put the balli here.
Yeah.
Put the balli there.
Put the
Under here. Yeah. Inside.
That is a better idea. You should put
Yes,
the
yes,
balli
yes,
inside.
yes, yes.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, okay.
उसके अंदर से. But
Okay,
this is
अंदर
the blue
बोल-
color.
No, but
This is the blue color, so we will.
blue color is
We can-
here only.
हाँ.
Rest is white.
rope under I got an idea. Please put here. We will tie the
Yes,
rope
yes,
here.
yes. This one is a better idea. You should
Tie a rope.
Yes, you should tie a rope now.
Yeah, gentlemen. What about the rope?
Give the rope.
We can come with. No.
What?
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Anyone have a good
Tie
idea?
204. Just number. Just tie the rope around.
Yeah. Anyone have a good idea other than that?
No, this is the good idea. We
wait
just
there.
get tied it tightly. That's it.
Yes,
That this is a
Gentlemen,
better
I
idea.
think
This
we
is a
should
smooth
first
one.
try it.
Yeah.
If it is work,
If it is
then-
Yeah,
workable,
if it
then-
works, is
Yeah.
that's
Yeah.
the
So
better
please tie
idea.
rope once again.
But how will you deal with the elevation?
ऐसा करो.
No,
Please
it
change
will
your
not go very
position.
elevation. Wait, let me check. Wait. Just
No, this is done. This is done. This is
Just tie
done.
the rope.
Now tie it down. Tie it down. It's not.
I got
that
an
high.
idea. I got
It's
an
not
idea.
that high. You should tie it down.
touch the blue part. Listen.
No. It's touching, gentlemen. It's touching.
Yeah. I got an idea.
Yeah, this is done. This is done. This is done.
Listen. नहीं
more
listen.
than 4 feet. We cannot
Yeah,
jump.
we will. This is good.
No,
Come.
3 feet, I think. This is.
Yes, you can come.
My height
You
is
can
fine.
come. We'll give you a hand. You should come.
You can jump.
You can jump.
Simply we can come here.
Be careful.
Wait a minute.
Be careful. Be
Wait a
careful.
minute.
Gentlemen, please wait a minute. First, we have to
Yeah.
check that person.
First thing.
Take the bucket first. Take the bucket first. Take the
the
load
bucket.
first.
And also make the way for him.
Yeah. Give that balli.
Yeah, okay.
Bhaiya.
Come.
No.
ना,
You
ना.
will help them for. Okay, you come here.
हो गया.
एक जना. You only stand there. You only stand there. I also come here.
Yeah.
Gentlemen, put the same way what we applied here.
Get it done.
Yeah.
Bus. Jump over, sir.
No,
We'll jump.
I think
It's not 4 feet. It's less than.
just come here, na.
Just come. Give him a hand.
Up, we have to take this, but we have to. Please give me a hand.
Take it.
Give me my hand.
Come on. Yes.
Wait a minute. This is not a good. Not a good thing. No, wait a minute.
Give him a hand.
Arey, no, leave my hand.
Wait. Leave. Just number 2.
Yeah. Got it. Yes, sir.
Very
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Sir.
Wait.
Let's.
Let it be just tilted a little more. No, just little more. But and just leave it. No.
It won't work.
Just leave it.
It won't work.
It
Just
will
leave
be.
it, na.
No, it won't work.
It will work if it is below the tilt.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait.
Just turn it a little bit. Yes. Now it will work.
From this to
We
there.
can use-
Yeah. Wait.
It will not.
No. It won't work.
It will flip. It will.
It won't work. It won't.
Just listen.
It won't. It's stable, but it won't.
Gentlemen, we can waste
It's not strong
We
enough.
can use
bullet hole, but
but
we have to go for their first
one person and we cannot.
That's the thing. And we can use the bully here.
We can use the bunny here also, na?
Yeah,
can use
yeah,
the bunny
yeah,
here
yeah.
also.
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
One have to.
Yes, sir.
Put his leg.
But we have to give it a support, right?
Yes.
We have to give it a support.
Holding it.
I
That 2%
Go further.
2% will hold.
No, one by one.
Just hold it quickly.
Hold.
Just
Hold it.
Face the
just
wood and
keep the weight over it. Just keep the weight over it.
Bucket.
bucket and
Just give him the weight. Give him the load. Give him the
I
load.
can.
Just let the 207 go. Let the 207 go.
Yeah.
Hold the load. Hold the load.
yeah, you can stand there.
Hold the load. Hold the load. Yes.
Why
Hold
are
the load.
Please
Wait a
put
minute,
back the
wait.
load. But make a break.
What?
They
Come.
they isn't.
Nahin,
Come
nahin.
back.
Yes,
Put the load.
Come back.
We will make a
Idea,
profit.
that's it.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Gentlemen, we need a
Let
bully.
us proceed.
1 minute.
Please wait a minute. Please.
One person please come.
Give them the bucket and
Nilu, come down.
put him.
Aram se. We will make the.
Give us
What do
the
you need?
Take it. Give him the money.
And
And give him the plank.
Elevator, we will make another bridge from.
Yes.
चेंज राउंड यहाँ पे रस्सी बांधते हैं। आओ भाई देख,
अबे ऐसे हो जाता ना भाई, देखो अबे
मेरी बात
आ जाओ, बात तो बनाएंगे यार। अगर ऐसे रखते ना हम, वन विल स्टैंड हियर, वन विल स्टैंड हियर भाई, ऐसे कर सकते थे। मैं यही बोल रहा था, वो बीच में लगा हुआ था, उसके ऊपर रखने के बाद जो वेट
नीचे से डालना भाई, नीचे से डाल। नहीं
आइडिया बता।
वेट अ मिनट, फर्स्ट जनरेट द आइडिया, देन वी विल प्रोसीड।
लोग यहाँ भी यूज कर सकते हैं। ये वाला हेलो दिस वन, हेलो हेलो वी विल माइंड द आइडिया। देखो अगर हम इससे के ऊपर, ठीक है, तो उसके बाद इतना मुश्किल होगा ना, वो मिलेगी वहां से आ जाएगा, एक लोग हाथ से पकड़ लेंगे।
अरे इतना से ताकत लगा के
नहीं आपको बल्ली पकड़ लेते हैं,
बल्ली
पकड़ लेंगे ना।
भाई वही प्रॉब्लम कर रहे हो यार, ये तो सब क्या है यार।
पहले सही है, देखते देखते बोलो आप उसे बताओ।
उधर से नहीं, बीच वाले से होगा, उधर वाला
इधर पे आओ, इधर पे आओ, दूसरे नहीं
वही तो
ये वाला करते हैं, बीच वाला कह रहे हैं, बीच वाला।
तो नहीं हो रहा उसमें। अरे यार उसमें नहीं होगा भाई।
अरे यार वो तो तुम शेर के मुंह में हाथ डाल रहे हो।
ऊपर जाएंगे ना
भाई वो नहीं
उस साइड फिर क्या
ये वाला हो सकता
इसमें तो यार, इसमें तो है भी यार।
इसमें कैसे फाइट है
भाई बड़ा वाला कहाँ, बड़ा वाला बिग वन।
बी वन यही है।
लगा के कोई पकड़ेगा।
कोई छोटे को भेजो, एक काम करो, आगे को भेजो, नीचे रख लो, यहाँ पर अंदर पैर रख के बंदे चढ़ के उसके बाहर जा सकते हैं। ये ठीक है, ये मिट्टी पे ना।
अरे यार वो तो फालतू में जा।
अरे यार भाई नहीं,
एक का लोगे दूसरे
जिसके पास कोई नहीं आइडिया है वो क्या बोल रहा हूँ आइडिया ये यहाँ से जा सकता पकड़ो, एक जाओ
यार देखो इधर
जाओ फर्स्ट उधर जाओ, ब्लू ब्लू।
आगे क्या करोगे?
आगे क्या करोगे?
इसके ऊपर वहाँ नहीं जाता।
बल्ली कोने पे पैर रख दो।
पैर इस पर रख।
बल्ली शाबाश। अब तुम चढ़ जाओ, चले जाओ, चले जाओ,
अरे चले जाओ, जाओ भाई जाओ,
जा सकते हो, चले जाओ,
तेजी से जाओ, जल्दी पहुंचो जल्दी।
बस कोने पे। हाँ
पहलवान बुद्धि क्यों लगा रहे हो आपलोग हैं? ये आइडिया इज सो गुड, व्हाई होल्डिंग विद द हैंड दैट नाउ यू सी यू वॉक ऑन, छोड़ दो इसको, चलो वॉक करो। हमारा आइडिया ना, चल के दिखाओ ना इस पे, चलो लेट्स सी, वॉक ओवर इट, चलो चलो। When this idea can work, why you were holding with the hand? Tell me. Right, it's a workable idea, isn't it? Now only thing is slightly unstable. Why? Because your belly is slightly oblique in fashion. Can you make it straight? Okay, how you can make it straight? What is the problem with this idea? Moment a person steps over it, it is slightly unstable, isn't it? So it's going to topple over. That's about all. But if you go carefully, this will work. You can make it, this idea even better by having this belly straight. Is it straight? From this place to this place, if you make the belly straight, that much more stable this idea will. How you can make it straight?
sir, by taking one of the
बातें इतना कर दो, somebody come and show me how you do it. अच्छा अच्छी तो हो जाएगा ऐसे।
कहाँ लगेगा?
हाँ काम अंदर रोक।
देखो देखो देखो
दोनों साइड से अगर निकाल
बन जाएगा और एक यहाँ बन जाएगा,
दोनों साइड से अगर बांध दो, तो फोल्ड करके
ओके राइट, सामने से पीछे जाओ, चलो
यहाँ पे बांध दो।
दो रस्सी है,
इसको निकालो, इधर से निकालो।
ये वाला फोल्ड बांध दे।
एक और रस्सी किधर?
ओके लेग जैकेट ना प्लीज।
Okay, so if you tie it properly, this can be straight.
Yes, sir.
Moment it is straight, this will slightly even more stable idea, isn't it?
yes,
Fine. So your time is up now. All of you, please tie this helping material. इसको वहां रखो और सब लोग दौड़ के चलो क्विकली। बल्ली करके खड़ा किया था because you realize that after they will not work. A person who go on the top, he will go to fall. Because balli like this and plank kept like this, there is no support to this balli, they will go to fall. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So in that case you realize it earlier, but you somehow managed to do the same idea earlier somewhere when you were going on the that structure, okay? Because there was the height was less, but that was an impractical idea, not acceptable idea. All right. In that case only height was slightly less, that's why you could still make it work. The moment you come to in the center, you found when the bench was high, that was not working. Okay, so kindly think about the workable ideas. And also, wherever you have been able to apply your mind, you found the answers. Initially, if you see the first group started off, there were 2 benches were there, first group didn't get any idea. But once the second group came, they worked through the same place and got the idea. I hope other people followed them, observed them. So kindly must learn from others also. But remember this, whatever the structure you are having over here, whatever the helping material you are having over here, you may not get the same thing once you go for the SSB. You will have a totally different structures as well as different helping materials. At times you will not be given a rope only. So don't get zapped कि rope नहीं है तो क्या बांधूं. So whatever has been given to you, you have got to make best of it. Understood? Fine. And lastly, obviously, initially all of us stuck up, but with little bit.
सन 2022 में भारत में सर्वाधिक सिलेक्शन देने के बाद अब सन 2023 में बारी है अपने ही रिकॉर्ड को तोड़ने की। आप भी बन सकते हैं हमारे इस कारवां का हिस्सा, हमारी ऐतिहासिक कामयाबी का इस हिस्सा। आज ही संपर्क करें हमारे ऑफिशियल नंबर पर और ज्वाइन करें सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी।